The bulbs that are collected in early winter are consumed. Now I will show how to collect the wild beets. So find out one plant and put the fingers into the soil firmly and grab to the wild beets. Oh, it's like a big, and pull it out, and also clean the beets. So now appear to wild beets. This is wild beets.